All right, boys and girls, welcome to Learn Guitar. We have the Lumineers, great band. Perhaps you recognize them from the songs like Ho Hey and Starvin' Love and so on. This time we have the song called You're All I Got. I really love that song, so let's go into this one. All right, so we have the setup here with the capo set on the first fret. That's the absolute best scenario for us. Let's dive into the chords, and I believe we have 7 chords. So let's start with those. We're gonna start with A minor, so that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have then the next chord is the C G chord. That is basically a C, but with the G note in the bass there. So we're gonna go with third on E, third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have the F major 7/C. That's pretty similar to the C G chord. That's F major, but with the C note in the bass. So it goes third on A, third on D, second on G, first B, and open E. Let's move on to the D minor. So D minor goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. Then we have the E, and that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, open E. And then we have the G chord, and it goes like this. And I really suggest you go with this finger I'm using here as well. So my ring finger on the third fret E string, then my mid finger on the second A. Then you have the open D, open G, open B, and third E. And you're using your little pinky there. Why? Because we're gonna use the index finger then to get certain notes, okay? So that's a highly suggestion to go for these fingers. And then finally, we have the D. Okay, so that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. Now, let's go into the intro of this song. So the intro is actually played very similar to the chorus, or at least it starts as a chorus and the chorus continues later. But yeah, it starts with A minor, then C, G, and then the F, C. And we need to learn the strumming first. So if you go to the first chord, A minor, one string around will be down, up, down, up. Okay, so like this. And here I like to highlight the second and last down. So down, up, down, up. I do that in the same way as I do in many other tutorials. I play on the bass notes for all the other downs and ups, but on that certain down, the second and last in the strumming, I go down and hit the higher strings as well. So that gives a certain rhythm for this one. So bass, bass, top, bass, 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 top, bass, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so there we have it. Now the intro goes A minor, 3 string rounds, C, G, 1, and F, C, 4. You go for that round for 2 rounds, okay? So A minor 3, C, G, 1, F, C, 4 for 2 chord progression rounds like this. And perhaps you already noticed that the C, G, and the F major /C, they're very similar. You just move this grip here 1 string down and to keep that first fret B string still there through these both chords. So it's very similar, very easy transition there. So that is the intro. Now let's go into the verse, and the verse is about 4 partials, 4 different rounds, you can say. So you have the first 2 rounds here will be F major /C for 2 string rounds, then D minor for 2, and A minor 4. So we're gonna play that first. So F, C, 2, D minor 2, and A minor 4. That's the first round. Second. Then the third round goes F major C for 2 string rounds, then E for 2, and A minor 4. And the fourth and final round ends in the same way as the first two started, with F2, D minor 2, and A minor 4. So that is the first verse. So just to summarize that one, we had round 1, round 2, and round 4 in the same way. You play F2, D minor 2, A minor 4, and then the third round was F2, E2, and A4. All right, that is the first verse. Into the chorus now, and I mentioned it before, you have that played in the same way as we learned for the intro. You have the A minor 3, the CG1, and the FC4. Okay, you're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and that is your first chorus. So, into the second round of everything now. The second verse is playing the exact same way as the first one, so no changes there. And then comes the second chorus. This one is a little bit different, all right? So we're gonna start in the same way. We have the A minor 3, the CG1, and FC4 strumming rounds. You're gonna play it for 2 rounds first, okay? And then after these 2 rounds happen that G chord, and that is about 1 minute and 33 seconds into the song. Now, grab the chord as I did. With these fingers, you have this index finger over there to handle notes. So we're gonna learn a new strumming pattern for this. So just keep the chord first, and we're gonna look into the strumming, which will be down, up, down, up, down, up. So you play the down, up, short pause, and then up, down, up. That is one strumming round. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're gonna play that original grip for 1 string round. Then you're gonna go and shift to get the index finger on the 1st fret E string. Of course, release the 3rd with the little pinky. So you get this grip. This bass will stay throughout this G chord. The first round get with the 3rd fret E string, pinky. Second round goes with the 1st fret E string, your index finger. The third round goes with the open E string, so just this bass. And the fourth and final round goes with the 3rd fret B string. So you get the little pinky there back again. So slowly like this. And that is how you handle the G chord. Okay, so 4 string rounds in total. Then you're gonna continue still in the second chorus with the same strumming, and you're gonna play the CG1, the E1, A minor 1, and the FC1. And you do that for almost 2 rounds. The second round you're gonna play again CG1, E1, 1 down on A minor with a big pause. That pause ends this second round. Okay, so that is the big second chorus. So just to summarize this one, we started in the same way as the previous choruses, and also the intro. You had the A minor 3, CG1, and FC 4 string rounds. You play that for 2 rounds. And then comes this G. We played a total of 4 rounds with different notes to highlight. And then we have the ending here with the C, G, E, A minor, and FC. 1 string around per chord with that adder, down, up, down, strumming. And you end that on the second round with 1 down on A minor. All right, so let's go into the third verse, and that is played exactly in the same way as the previous verses. No changes there. And then comes the final part of the song, the third chorus. So we're going to start again in the same way. We have the A minor 3, the CG1, and FC 4 string rounds. You can play that with the same strumming as well. And then you switch the strumming for the end part of this song. You have the CG, the down, up, the E, down, up, 1 round of that as well, A minor 1, and FC1. You play that in total of 8 rounds, you can say. Just some exceptions there. On the 7th round, you're going to replace the final FC chord with the D. Okay, so 7th round goes CG1, E1, A minor 1, and D1. Okay, and the 8th and final round, you're going to play just 1 down on C, CG, and then 1 down on E. And that will end this song. So, a great song, guys. The Lumineers, you're all I got. I really like this one. It fits guitar, obviously, very well. So, give it a try. different strumming patterns, but very easy chords actually with the setup on capo first fret. So give it a try. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.